Veronica Clarke, she is a cook at the Grand Bahama Health Services. She's owed $7,900. Ernest Cauley, he's a maintenance worker in the Illustra district. He is owed $6,800. Melvina Puris, she's a nursing attendant at the Princess Margaret Hospital. She's owed $8,400. Alfred James, he's a driver. He's at PM, he's a PMH, he's in the PMH transport division. He's owed $7,100. Caroline Davis, she's a maid in the Exoma Clinic. She's owed $5,900. Anthony Dane, she's a groundsman. He's a groundsman at the Public Health in Andrews. He's owed $4,500. Lenora Demerit, she's a housekeeper at Sandlands Hospital. She's owed $6,300. Warren DeVoe, he's a general worker at Abaco District. He's owed $7,200. Natasha Dorset, she's a clerical assistant in the Ministry of Health headquarters. She's owed $5,600. Phyllis Duncombe, she's a senior health aide in 8 Mile Rock Clinic. She's owed $9,000. Vanessa Edwards, she's a clerical officer in the Department of Public Health in Nassau. She's owed $5,400. Judy Evans, she's a nurse's aide in the Abaco Clinic. She's owed $7,700. Anita Ferguson, she's a custodian at the Princess Margaret Hospital. She's owed $6,000. Lionel Forbes is a security officer at Sandlands Rehabilitation Center. He's owed $7,800. Bertha Fox, she's a senior health aide in Andrews. She's owed $9,500. Carleen Francis is an administrative officer in the public health headquarters. She's owed $10,600. Lyndon Gibson is a driver in the Exuma district. He's owed $6,900. Thelma Gibson is a nursing attendant at Marsh Arbor Clinic. She's owed $8,200. Marcia Grant is a housekeeper in the PMH maternity ward. She's owed $6,100. Paul Green is a maintenance worker in Grand Bahama. He's owed $5,800. Jasmine Hall, she's a clerical worker in Abaco. She's owed $5,400. Caroline Hanna is a ward maid in the Exuma. She's owed $6,000. Sandra Harris is an assistant nurse in the South Eleuthera Clinic. She's owed $8,600. Melanie Hanfield is a health aide in Andrews. She's owed $600, and she died on October 7, 2021. Denise Hicks is a janitress in Grand Bahama. She's owed $5,700. Clifford Hunt is a driver and sanitation services PMH. He's owed $6,300. Laverne Ingram is a nursing attendant at the Princess Margaret Hospital. She's owed $8,800. Bernadette Johnson is a housekeeper at 8 Mile Rock. She's owed $7,900. Peter Johnson is in maintenance in Abaco. He's owed $5,900. Marsha Kemp is a health aide in the public health Eleuthera. She's owed $7,200. David Knowles, he's a driver. He's owed PMH grounds. He's owed $6,000. Monique Lang, she's a senior nursing attendant in Abaco District. She's owed $8,500. Carl Lightburn is a sanitation worker in Grand Bahama. He's owed $5,800. Gloria Major is a maid in the Marsh Harbor Clinic. She's owed $6,200. Rosetta Mather, she's a clerk in the Ministry of Health headquarters. She's owed $5,600. Leon Miller is a maintenance worker in Andrews. He's owed $7,300. Teresa Monca is a housekeeper in South Eleuthera. She's owed $6,900. Julia Moss is an administrative officer at the PMH. She's owed $10,500. Elva Monies is a clerical assistant, Princess Margaret Hospital. She's owed $5,900. Jason Murray is a driver in the Prince Public Health headquarters. He's owed $6,300. Chantel Newbold is a ward maid in Grand Bahama. She's owed $5,800. Brandon Nixon is a housekeeper in Sandland. She's owed $6,700. Clarice Oughton, she's a cook in Abaco. She's owed $6,100. Eloise Pinder, senior nurse's aide in Exuma, is owed $8,200. Henry Pratt is a groundsman in South Eleuthera. He's owed $4,900. Sylvia Rami is a clerical officer in Grand Bahama. She's owed $5,600. Janice Roll is a housekeeper at PMH. She's owed $6,800. Nathaniel Roll is an orderly in Andrews. He's owed $6,100. Carleen Russell is an administrative clerk in the Department of Public Health. She's owed $7,400.